Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the fascinating stories of our planet's incredible ecosystems and the creatures that call them home. Imagine a landscape of rolling hills dotted with wildflowers and teeming with life. This is the world of India's grasslands, often misunderstood and underappreciated, yet home to a stunning array of flora and fauna. However, these unique ecosystems are facing numerous threats, from habitat loss and fragmentation to climate change and human activities such as agriculture and urbanization. In India, the concept of wastelands has long been used to describe areas that are deemed unproductive or useless. But for conservationists and scientists, these so-called wastelands are actually vital habitats that support a wide range of biodiversity. The Indian government has recently launched an initiative to map and protect these grasslands, recognizing their importance not just for the environment, but also for local communities who depend on them for their livelihoods. One organization at the forefront of this effort is the Grasslands Trust, which is working tirelessly to restore and conserve these precious ecosystems. By partnering with local communities and using traditional knowledge and techniques, the Trust is helping to revive degraded habitats and promote sustainable land use practices. From planting native grasses to removing invasive species, their work is a testament to the power of conservation and community-led initiatives. As we delve deeper into the world of India's grasslands, we'll meet the people and animals who call these landscapes home, from nomadic shepherds to endangered species like the Indian grey wolf. We'll explore the challenges they face and the opportunities that exist for conservation and sustainability. It's a story of hope and resilience, and one that highlights the importance of protecting our planet's precious biodiversity. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. You may have heard of Jimothy, a raccoon from Seattle who captured the hearts of millions with his unique appearance and charming personality. But as we delve into Jimothy's story, we must also consider the potential risks and consequences of his newfound celebrity status. Jimothy's congenital spine condition has made him an overnight sensation, with fans creating memes, fan art, and even plushie toys in his honor. However, wildlife biologists are sounding the alarm about the potential impact of this attention on Jimothy's well-being. As Rebecca Calisi Rodriguez, a wildlife biologist at UC Davis, notes, without examining the animal, we simply don't know how much his spinal condition affects his daily function. While Jimothy appears to be adapting well to his urban environment, his long-term survival is still uncertain. As we follow Jimothy's journey, it's essential to remember that wild animals, even those with charming personalities, are not pets or entertainment objects. Jessica Castillo-Vardaro, a molecular ecologist at San Jose State University, warns that humans' affection for internet-famous animals can often clash with the harsh realities of life in the wild. It's sad, but it is a part of nature, and we shouldn't shy away from it, she says. The concern is that Jimothy's fame could be the biggest threat to his well-being, as locals and fans track him down for photos and videos, potentially disrupting his habitat and causing stress. As Castillo-Vardaro notes, best-case scenario is we lose track of Jimothy in a few months and we can look back on this summer, remember him fondly, and hope that he is still out there living his best little life somewhere safe. It's a delicate balance between appreciation and exploitation, and one that requires our careful attention. As we conclude today's journey through the natural world, we find ourselves in the bustling harbors of our planet, where human activity has led to a significant accumulation of pollutants. However, in these dirty waters, an unlikely hero has emerged, the chicken kidney sponge. This fascinating creature, with its unique ability to filter thousands of gallons of seawater per day, is being studied for its potential to clean up degraded habitats in and around busy harbors. A recent study published in the journal Frontiers in Marine Science has shed light on the remarkable capabilities of the chicken kidney sponge. Researchers in Spain tested 5 different species of sponges in a Mediterranean port and found that the chicken kidney sponge was the most pollution tolerant. It thrived in the harsh conditions, reproduced asexually, and even migrated to sheltered crevices to escape stresses such as UV radiation and predators. But what makes this sponge so special? For starters, its filter feeding power allows it to remove heavy metals, pathogenic bacteria, viruses, and organic particles from the water. At the same time, it recycles nutrients back into the water, improving water quality and delivering energy and organic matter back into the food web. the chicken kidney sponge also provides a habitat for other creatures such as worms, crustaceans, and juvenile fish. As we look to the future, the potential of the chicken kidney sponge to clean up our planet's filthy ports is vast. Imagine a reef of these sponges working together to filter out pollutants and restore balance to the ecosystem. It's a remarkable example of how nature can provide solutions to the problems we've created. As we conclude today's Nature Walk, I want to leave you with a sense of hope and wonder. The natural world is full of incredible creatures, like the chicken kidney sponge, each with their own unique abilities and strengths. By studying and learning from these creatures, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of our planet and the importance of preserving its beauty and diversity. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.